Good morning, dear children. Let us join our hands for the prayer. Lord, help our students to learn, to live this life on earth, to face its struggles and its strives, and to improve their worth. Not just the lessons in a book or how the rivers flow, but how to choose the proper path wherever they may go. To understand eternal truth and know the right from wrong and gather all the beauty of a flower and a song. For if they help the world to grow and benefit our race, then we shall feel that we have won, cause they would have made their own place. And so, we ask your guidance, God, that we may do our part to build their character and confidence and the best of humans at heart. Thank you.
Good morning, dear children. Excited? Well, we have some special surprises coming your way today. Today, we pay tribute to you, the wonderful children in our lives without whom life would be so colorless. There are some things that can't be bought. One such thing is our childhood. So this Children's Day, enjoy the spirit of childhood. Enjoy being you. We begin the day with a thought read out by Miss Renuka Wagner.
I think the best thing that we can do for children is allow them to be themselves. Allow them to be strong. Allow them to experience life on their own terms. Allow them to take the subway. Let them be better people. Let them believe in themselves. Wish all of you a very happy Children's Day.
Thank you, Renuka ma'am. Here we are celebrating Children's Day. But why do we do this every year? To shed some light on the importance of the day, I now hand you over to Ms. Smita Rakesh. Over to you, ma'am.
Children are the hope of a better tomorrow. They carry the dreams of a fruitful and a bright future. The innocent smiles and the purity of their hearts remain unfaded forever. Celebrating children, celebrating childhood. That is Children's Day. The United Nations chose the 20th of November to celebrate Children's Day globally. Their objective was to create an awareness about children's rights, for their education, to generate togetherness internationally, and for their welfare. India chose to celebrate Children's Day on the 14th of November. This day commemorates the birthday of our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Nehru was very fond of children, and he had also advocated a couple of educational programs for their development. Children fondly called him Chachaji. The reason why India chose to celebrate Children's Day on his birthday. Wishing all the little children out there a very happy Children's Day.
Informative indeed. Moving on to something lighter. Turn off your microphone. Please switch off your camera. Am I audible, children? Sounds familiar? We now move on to our own lyricist composer, Miss Andrila Sinha, with one of her own creations about online classes. Enjoy!
La 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 la. 2020, a special year indeed. It came in and shook us right from beginning. Social distancing became the new normal, and we got stuck up at our homes. All this didn't stop us from getting innovative. The school then came up with online class on Teams. Online classes, gosh, how would that be? But we all geared up to start with a glee. Planning the lessons with PowerPoint presentations, scheduling the classes on Microsoft Teams, cameras and mics and sharing of screen. These are some of the important things Switch on your cameras and show me your work. Raise your hand and then only talk. No chalk, no duster, no noise in the class. This is not how we would take up a class. I miss the road that takes me to school, the meetings and greetings, the laughter and roll, the fun and the frolic that we all have there. Those are the things that we miss every day. We indeed miss you a lot. Here's Angela ma'am wishing all of you a very happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Wasn't that fun? Need some more? Here are some eager teachers with some very special messages. Listen in. Thank you, teachers, for those heartfelt messages. It's now time for some interesting facts with Miss Gauri Sheth.
नमस्ते। दुनिया का सबसे अच्छा समय, दुनिया का सबसे अच्छा दिन और दुनिया का सबसे हसीन पल सिर्फ बचपन में ही मिलता है। बच्चों, फूलों के जैसे महकते रहो, पक्षी के जैसे चहकते रहो, सूरज की भांति चमकते रहो और तितली के जैसे मचलते रहो। माँ पिताजी का आदर करो, सुंदर भाव से मन को भरो। यही है हमारी शुभकामना। हंसते रहो, मुस्कुराते रहो। प्यारे प्यारे सभी बच्चों को बाल दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। आइए सुनते हैं कुछ रोचक तथ्य। स्वतंत्र भारत के पहले प्रधानमंत्री पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू का जन्म 14 नवंबर 1889 में इलाहाबाद में हुआ था। उन्हीं इसी अवसर पर भारत में बाल दिवस उनके जन्मदिन के अवसर पर ही मनाया जाता है। भारत के अलावा बाल दिवस और देशों में लेकिन अलग अलग तारीखों में मनाया जाता है। सबसे पहले बाल दिवस मनाया गया था तुर्की में, भारत में नहीं। और बाल दिवस की नींव 1925 में लगी रही थी। उसके बाद 1953 में उसे मान्यता मिली। यूएन ने 20 नवंबर को बाल दिवस मनाने की घोषणा की थी, लेकिन इसीलिए बाल दिवस बहुत सारे देशों में 20 नवंबर को ही मनाया जाता है। यह दिन बच्चों के बेहतर भविष्य और उनकी मूल जरूरतों को पूरा करने की याद दिलाता है।
Yes. Is that all now?
Ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, I yesterday. Can I show you?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, good. Good.
Ma'am, I also made a diya for Diwali. Can I show it to you?
Sure. Show me.
See, ma'am, I painted this diya.
Yes, nice, nice. Very nice. All right. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Looks familiar? Now sit back and enjoy some of the creations made by your teachers. Who does not enjoy a good story, a poem, or even good music? Coming up are some poems and stories by Miss Jyoti Shelke, Miss Sucharita Mishra, Miss Sapna Yadav, Miss Priya Khandagle, and Miss Rutuja. So sit back and enjoy.
A letter from my childhood. Knock, knock. Who is that? I'm the child in you. You have become so urban. Let me bring wild in you. Life has changed. You're grown up now. Duties and responsibilities you have to own up now. You have earned money and fame. Claim you made it, no offense. But are you really content with the name after trading your innocence? You work in your cubicle like your life's at stake. Accurate like a machine, not human to make mistakes. Let me remind you of the person your loved ones relished, that child inside you before it perished. Today, bring alive that person who was born free and carefree. Put a foot on the ground with shoes down and bare feet. Be in touch with your friends if you can bank on them. When you meet them in person, play a prank on them. Be that heart where innocence dwells and smiles, so that your adulthood can answer curiosities you had as a child. Keeping the child in you alive does not mean one should avoid the duties and responsibilities. It only means that you should preserve and nurture the qualities that you are born with. Thank you.
मैं आप सभी के लिए एक कविता लेके आई हूँ जो मैंने आप सभी के लिए लिखी है। नमस्कार। मन की बात। बच्चे मन के सच्चे, बोलते अब न रहना हमको कैद में। दे दो हमें आजादी, मिलने दो हमको हमारे दोस्तों से। खोल दो पिंजरा, जाने दो हमको अपने स्कूलों में। हमारी मस्ती सब छूटी, अब न रहेंगे घर पे। अब बहुत हुआ, दे दो हमें आजादी। फिर मन में ख्याल आया, बाहर गए तो साथ ला सकते हैं एक अनजाना सा साथी जो सबको कर दे परेशान। और हम वादा करते हम रखेंगे अपना ख्याल। हाथ जोड़कर विनती करते, जाने तो हमको उन गलियों पर जहां हम जीते थे हर पल। न जाने कहां खो गए वो सारे पल। हमारी अनोखी बदमाशियां जो पकड़े जाने पर ताकना एक दूसरे पर, और फिर मन में हजारों सवाल। इन्हीं मीठी यादों के साथ जी रहे थे अब तक, पर अब न होगा। अब न रहेंगे बंधे, पिंजरा खोल उड़ जाएंगे, और फिर पंख फैलाकर उड़ जाएंगे और मिल जाएंगे एक साथ। नमस्ते।
Good morning, children. On the occasion of Children's Day, I would like to recite a poem for you. They are the glimpse of future and the doodad of the day before future. They are the soul of destiny and are the assignee of dreams that the parents have seen. They are the vehicle of growth of the world and country both. All that I would like assert that they are like a river in the desert. In the end, I wish for today to all a very happy Children's Day.
An account of Children's Day today. Let's hear a short story about Sushi the elephant and her dear friends. Sushi was an elephant who used to wander all day in the jungle in search of friends. Oh, she never had any friends. She kept on asking each and every member of the jungle whether they could be friends with her. But to her surprise, she could never make friends with anybody. And the reason is this. This is why Sushi could never ever make friends with the little ones in the jungle. As Sushi went by one day through the forest, she did see a monkey who was swinging on the trees. She stopped and asked the monkey, "Can we be friends?" The monkey replied, "Will you be able to swing on the trees like I do?" Sushi couldn't, and so the monkey said to her, "When you can't, how can you be my friend? Because you won't be able to swing with me." Sushi felt very sad. On a journey ahead to look out for friends, Sushi then stumbled across a rabbit. She asked him, "Can we be friends?" The rabbit looked at her and replied, "I don't think so. Would you be able to fit inside my burrow and play with me all day long?" Oh, Sushi felt very sad because she just couldn't fit inside the burrow. Then, moving ahead, Sushi came across a deer. She asked the deer, "Hey there, deer, will you be able to be friends with me?" The deer replied, "Will you be able to run and jump as fast as I can? Then only I can be your friend." But Sushi just couldn't move. Oh, that was too sad. Sushi just couldn't sleep the whole day. She kept on moving ahead and asking for friends, but she just couldn't. That day was a very sad day for Sushi. Oh, but the next morning, something was happening in the forest. All the animals were running here and there. Sushi just didn't know what was happening. Was it an earthquake? Oh God, something was terribly happening. Soon Sushi caught hold of a little one and asked, "Hey you little one, what is wrong? Why are you running here and there? Who is behind you?" The little one suddenly stopped and said, "Hey, you don't know? The tiger is behind our lives. He is going to eat us. He is going to kill all the little ones in the jungle." Oh, Sushi felt so sad. Though she didn't have any friends, she felt very sorry for all the little ones in the jungle. She went to the tiger and said, "Sir, what is wrong? Why are you going to kill all the little ones in the jungle? Please, sir, please forgive them." The tiger just got annoyed. He shouted at Sushi, "Mind your own business over there. Don't you come over here again." But Sushi was very brave. She didn't get disappointed. She had a great fight with the tiger. Though the tiger was a very ferocious animal, Sushi, with the braveness, fought with the tiger, and Sushi won the battle at the end. Seeing the braveness of the elephant, the little ones were very, very happy. They all came together and asked Sushi whether they could forgive her and be their friend. Sushi was very happy now that suddenly she had so many of them to be called as her friend. Sushi was very, very excited and invited all of them to be her friend. So, the moral of the story is be friends with everyone and trust and treat everyone with love and kindness. Wishing all the children over there a very happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Hello, I wish all my students very happy Children's Day. Today, on this occasion, I would like to share about Nehruji's love for children. Once Nehruji went on a trip to Rus. There was a big welcome there. A child came to see him in a village in Rus. But the guards did not let him in. Disappointed, the child sat there weeping. After some time, Nehruji came out and seeing the child crying, lovingly asked, "Why are you crying?" The child replied, "I am a poor boy and I have come to see Nehruji from a distant village, but the guards did not let me in." Nehruji hugged the child. The child did not know that he was a Nehru, yet he gave him a bouquet of flowers. Nehru gifted the child a pen and photo and said, "I am Pandit Nehru and I am very happy to meet you. Hope you will always remember the name of India." I have one more incident to share. One day he was walking in his garden. He heard the cry of a small child. When Nehruji looked around, he saw a 2-month-old baby crying among the trees. Nehruji thought in his mind, where will his mother be? He looked around. She was nowhere to be seen. He thought that she might be working with the gardener somewhere in the garden. Nehruji was thinking that the child started crying. On this, he took the child in his arm and patted him. The child became silent and smiled. When the child's mother saw her child in the Prime Minister's lap, she could not believe her eyes. This is the reason that even today, children remember Chacha Nehru on the birthday. Nehruji always used to say, "I may not have time for adults, but I have enough time for children." He said that today's children will build tomorrow's India. I am sure you will definitely. Once again, Happy Children's Day to all of you.
That was heartwarming. I would definitely like to hear some more, don't you? Well, it's your lucky day. It's now time for a melodious rendition by Miss Rajinder.
बाल दिवस पर हमारे सुपर वॉरियर्स को ढेरों शुभकामनाएं। बच्चों, वक्त कभी एक जैसा नहीं रहता। ये बुरा वक्त भी गुजर जाएगा। इसी उम्मीद से भरा हुआ एक गीत खास आपके लिए। वो दिन नहीं रहे तो ये दिन भी न रह पाएंगे। वो दिन नहीं रहे तो ये दिन भी न रह पाएंगे। विश्वास है कि फिर से वो दिन भी लौट आएंगे। वो दिन नहीं रहे तो ये दिन भी न रह पाएंगे। ये दिवाली दीपों वाली बाल दिवस पर आई है। कहते हैं ईश्वर बच्चों की जल्दी सुनता है। तो बच्चों, हो एक दिया उम्मीद का दिल में जलाए रखना। हो एक दिया आशा बनाए रखना, लौटेंगी खुशियां मैदानों में, लौटेगी रौनक मैदानों में, और स्वर लहरियां गूंज उठेंगी, और साज झंझनाएंगे, फिर से खड़े एक मंच पर हम भी गीत गाएंगे। वो दिन नहीं रहे तो ये दिन भी न रह पाएंगे, वो दिन नहीं रहे तो ये दिन भी न रह पाएंगे। विश्वास है कि फिर से वो दिन भी लौट आएंगे, वो दिन नहीं रहे तो ये दिन भी न रह पाएंगे। एक बार फिर से दिवाली और बाल दिवस की आप सबको ढेरों शुभकामनाएं।
Childhood, an era of innocence, an act of mischievous, a story of happiness, a compilation of memories. Those days might have passed, but still there's a child hiding in everyone. There's a child hiding in me too. Wishing each and every one of you a very happy Children's Day. Dear children, you are the future. Our promise to you is that we will strive to nurture you right, so that you grow up to be leaders and will one day lead our world towards a brighter tomorrow. With this, we now come to a close to our online Children's Day celebrations. Hope you had as much fun watching the videos as much as we had making them for you. Wishing all of you an amazing Children's Day once again. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.